tiny hand in mine. You're 5 feet off the ground. You're ready. Forever be in this moment, in this moment. Forever be, forever be. The night fades like a whispered song as time rushes on. Oh, it won't be long, fading now into a memory, a picture on the wall, a moment frozen not to fall. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. In this moment, in this moment, forever be, forever be. Forever be, forever be.
Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Thabi. If you are a returning subscriber, welcome. I hope you will enjoy this video. So guys, today is a Wednesday. We came back yesterday from Drakensberg / Underberg, and actually when we left that side, we went to Mount Alef just to go check on my brother-in-law and also a cousin of ours in Mount Alef. I don't think I've told you before, but hubby actually used to live and grew up in Mount Alef, so that is where our family home was before we moved to Margate. So yeah, we just went on to check on everything that side. So yeah, we got here, I think we got here around 6:45 last night. I didn't want to vlog because there was really nothing to vlog. We were literally on the road traveling the whole day yesterday, so we only arrived in Margate at 6:45 p.m. and we literally just arrived, had dinner, and then called it a night. So I am currently with my baby girl. Say hey. Hey. I'm currently with Abonga. We are at Hibiscus Mall in Margate just to get something for hubby. He's not feeling well. He's coming up with a flu, so I'm actually here for the pharmacy just to get him something, and then just to get some bread for lunch, and then I'm just gonna get a few things for dinner. I'm thinking for dinner I'm gonna make macaroni bake, yeah, whatever you want to call it, like with mince and stuff like that. A lasagna but with macaroni, and then I'll make a green salad, and then I'll also make some chicken wings. Yeah, I think that's what I'll make. I thought of making macaroni cheese, but nah, I think I'll make sort of like a lasagna, And then yeah, that's it. So let's get going. I don't think I'll vlog inside though. By the way, I'm vlogging with hubby's phone because I'm trying to upload a vlog for you guys. Like, I am struggling because my phone is full because I haven't been uploading content. So my phone is just full of content. So yeah, it's taking forever. So I left it at home and I've got hubby's phone with me because I also needed to navigate. So yeah, anyway, let me stop yapping. Let's go and I'll chat to you guys a bit later. What? The lotion. Yeah, you must go in the house now because it's raining. Hey my faves, so it's later on in the day. Guys, I've done a terrible job at vlogging today. The main reason is because I honestly slept most of the day away. Yeah, I just wasn't feeling well and also feeling very, very tired. So yeah, I think after I came back from the shops, I had my breakfast and then I literally just came to take a nap. Yeah, I think when I woke up, I made lunch for the kids. I wasn't vlogging because I was trying to upload a vlog for you guys, which I did. Yeah, I just went on to check on hubby and the kids. They're playing outside on the street and I'm about to start dinner. I'll see if I can cook with you guys. Actually, I don't think I'll be able to because I'm busy trying to export some content right now onto the cloud in order to make space. So yeah, I think I'll probably only chat to you guys tomorrow. It is our last full day here tomorrow, so I'll try to vlog the whole entire day tomorrow, I promise. Sorry about that. I am gonna make lasagna and some grilled chicken as well as a green salad for dinner. I'll just show you that when I'm done cooking, but I'm not gonna cook with you. Yeah, guys, it is so hot. It is so hot. Y'all already know whenever I'm here, I'm always complaining about the heat. But yeah, chat to you guys a little bit later. I hope you're still enjoying this vlog. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. Chat later.
There's no one like you, my little girl. Your eyes so blue under those brown curls. Soon you're on your way. Promise me that you know the world is yours. Strike them with your glow. Go on now, be good, be fine. Live your life, dream big, don't forget to be kind. Live, it's your life. Rocks are made
guys, welcome to another day of this vlog. I want to say good morning in the morning. If you watch Gamu, then you'll know what I'm talking about. Good morning in the morning, faves. I hope you guys are good. I hope you guys are still enjoying this vlog. So today is our last day here in Margate, and I decided to sleep in a bit, guys. I realized yesterday just how bushed I am. Like, I am so tired. Like, I feel like since I got admitted into the hospital last week, I've just been on the go, and my body is literally like complaining. My body is literally showing me flames, so I need to rest. Even my mom-in-law yesterday was like, girl, you need to rest. So yeah, I slept in this morning. I won't really say I slept in because, to be honest, I think I woke up just before 7. And then I just started editing a vlog. I'm not sure when I want to post it. A part of me wants to post it tomorrow, which is Friday. But then I know that I won't have a chance to edit Sunday's vlog, and I don't want to get out of rhythm with the Sunday vlogs. So I think I'll just post it on Sunday way too. I'll try to do everything to finish editing it and all of that whilst we're here. But then I think I'll wait until we get home, because we get home on Saturday. I think when I get home, I'll just export and upload it. Or maybe if I can, I don't know. I was thinking maybe I can export it and then keep it in the cloud. I'll see what I do. But then I do want to vlog today, so I'm not gonna prioritize the editing and all of that like I did yesterday. So yeah, I'm about to get out of bed and clean up in here, and then put the last load of laundry in the machine. I did laundry yesterday, but I didn't show you guys. I did 2 loads, so I just want to do the last load. I feel like hubby and I usually overpacked, but I think we really underpacked for this trip. So yeah, so I just need to do the final load of laundry. What else? And then I need to, but the weather is bad. The kids want to go to the beach, but I don't think we've got beach weather. However, I think the least we can do then is maybe to go for lunch at the beach, at one of the beach restaurants, or rather my favorite beach restaurant in Port Edward. I think maybe that we can do, and then we can just walk on the beach for like 5 minutes, and then really they can't say they didn't go to the beach. But yeah, we'll see. Hubby's gone to go wash the car because we're leaving tomorrow, so he's gone to the car wash and to also get a haircut. So he said that when he comes back we should be ready to leave. So yeah, let me get out of bed, go put this last load of laundry in the machine, and then see how far the kids are, so that if they need to bath, then I can quickly bath them. And then yeah, I'll bath myself last. I don't think I want to eat. I'm starting to cut down. I'm trying to get myself to eat only 2 meals a day for now, because guys, I need to shed this weight. I only ate twice yesterday. I had some oats in the morning, and then I only ate supper. I did show you guys what I cooked. So I had supper. I didn't have lunch. I think I only snacked on some grapes and maybe like 2-3 pieces of chocolate, but you know what, it's okay, it's allowed. But yeah, I'm trying to be a little bit more conscious and intentional, but I'll do all of that properly once I go back home, get into a routine, you know, get back to work and all of that. We are currently, I wouldn't call it a vacation holiday, but yeah, I still want to not overthink everything as far as that is concerned at the moment, but I am just being a little bit conscious. But if I want to have an ice cream, I will have an ice cream. Probably not two, but you know what I mean. Yeah. Anyway, let me stop going on and on. Spend the day with me and let's see where this day goes. Chat later, faves. Hey guys, so I'm done changing. I'm just wearing, you know, my everyday pinifa that you guys know, as well as the Duke. So if you are new to my channel or you haven't if you're new to my channel or haven't watched my Vlogmas 2024, where I did explain that when we are here at Margate at my mom-in-law's house, she does not want us to dress like Makotis. So the black clear, you know, the whole full attire, she really doesn't want us to do that. She just wants us to be ourselves. She just wants us to be kids in the home. So it's only when we go to the village, Ematatiele, that we are expected to then, you know, dress up and stuff. So just in case you're wondering why my hair is out and when we go out later on, yeah, and even how I was dressed when we arrived, because I was wearing the green, what did I want to call it, a dungaree jumpsuit, whatever you want to call it. That is because apa ekaya, we are just kids apa sekaya. So, but y'all know that I love wearing this because it's so comfortable. I also tried to buy a few when we were in Mount Aleph, but they only had tiny small sizes. I thought I'd get one and maybe get one for my mom-in-law as well, but they didn't have sizes. Anyway, so I'm done. I don't think I'm gonna clean in here because I did yesterday. I took out the carpet slash rugs, mats, swept, mopped, you know, did everything. So it's still quite clean because we also don't use the space. We literally only come here just to sleep. We spend majority of time in the main house, so it's quite clean. I do have this pile of laundry that I just want to go put in the washing machine. Yeah, it's the last load like I mentioned earlier, and then maybe I'll make something to eat. I think I'm craving some yogurt and muesli, so maybe I can have that for breakfast. I'm sure everyone else has already eaten, everyone else being the kids. And also I didn't tell you, so it's just us, me, my husband, and the kids, and my mom-in-law, and my 2 nephews, and Sisi. So that is all. Yeah, so anyway, let me go, guys, and I will chat to you guys a little bit later on.
Those brown eyes, it took my heart by surprise. Could this be real? Because I dreamt you a chapter that I turned. And too good to be true was the way you made me feel.
my birthday, can we go swimming? I think they do. Okay, then we go here. Okay. Yeah.
Lee.
Lee.
Oh, Lee, our first time together.
That's baby. You look. That's far. That's far from the sun. And I look for you.
Hey guys, so we are back this side. Ashumile and I are gonna take a shower together. Daddy says he will be here very shortly, but everyone else is they're gonna change. Well, the older kids, they're gonna change, and then yeah, then we'll bath when we come back. And did I not just hurt myself? Oh my goodness. Obuhlungu.com, it is so painful. Okay, Sisi, are you ready to shower?
Yes.
Can I lie down for 5 minutes?
Okay.
Okay, let me lie down for 5 minutes first.
Let's see again. It's bleeding.
It's bleeding.
I got cuts at school before.
Really?
Yes, and then I hurt myself over here, and it's starting to get better.
Really? Okay, please give me tissue over there, princess. No, there. Just lie down for 5 minutes, then I'll be fine. Like, oh, and yeah, go.
I told my teacher that I hurt myself, and she said the tissues are finished.
I think at this point, I really just gotta go home. I think I gotta go home and just sleep, guys. Dikatele. Like, I don't have energy for anything. Like, even just taking out the kids' clothes felt like a job and a half. I don't even want to lie to you. Like, my body is just... My body is just tired. Okay, let me lie down for like 5 minutes. Then my princess and I will go take a bath. A shower, rather. Then I will probably catch up with you guys when we're on our way. I don't even know what I'm gonna wear. I'll see. Chat later. 1 week, and then maybe for 1 week Banzi can come to our house.
Yay!
How about that?
Yes.
1 week in Durban, so they'll stay 1 week, and then Uncle Masbi will put
I know you've heard it all before, but you are the love of my life. I knew when you came through the door that you are the love of my life.
because one.
Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombards, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. I remember meeting you in a dream, thinking that's the love of my life. Most handsome man I'd ever seen. I said, you must be the love of my life.
Yeah, because
now. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombs, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. Don't let go. Don't let go of me. Don't let go. Don't let go. Nothing's hard, everything is easy with you around. No bombs, everything is easy when you come around. Hold on now. Hold on now.
Hey Faves, we are back from the beach and I am just here to close off the vlog. So we ended up going to Margate Beach and not Port Edward because my mom-in-law couldn't come. There was something or someone that she was waiting for. So yeah, we only just got back and we're gonna shower because we were in the water and then get ready for dinner. I'll take you guys with us to dinner, but I'm gonna close the vlog here. This is the last time that I will speak to you guys. I will start a new vlog again tomorrow. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I hope that you enjoyed this vlog. Please don't forget to like, to share, to comment, and to subscribe. And I will see you guys on the next one. Love you Faves. Bye.
I woke up in the middle of the night. Ooh, na, na, na. And I wondered how you're always right. It gets me. I couldn't see what you saw in me. Ooh, na, na, na. But you showed me how to believe. Still gets me. When I look back, I can see you're hiding, waiting for a moment to step in. And I'll never understand how you saw it coming. Oh, but I will love you for it all. Yeah, I will love you for it all.
Hello.
It is hard to share my thoughts. Ooh, na, na, na. It's like hiding a wound in my